33 years as Member of Parliament, the longest serving MP for the parish of Manchester. And I could not have done it without your help. I lost the first election 1989 to an undertaker. So I said to Calvin, when the following year I won all the parish council seats. So I said to Calvin, let's make a deal. Let's make a deal. You take care of the dead, and my Lord, take care of the living. And in '93, Calvin did not run again. He saw the writing on the wall. And from 1993 until now, I've been Member of Parliament, and I've been re-elected. I've been elected 7 times. 7 times. And I could not have done it without your consistent help. And because of that, I have the largest back-to-school program of all members of Parliament. The largest back-to-school program. Because I know that when you help out the children, you're helping the family go and go again. And I'm not, if I was running again, I would do it again. Okay? And I am going to speak to my successor and make sure she understands the details of it. And I'm begging you to carry it on. So, Having served all these years, 33 years, the longest serving member of parliament for the parish of Manchester. Having served for so long, time come. And time come, and I'm handing it over to Audrey, and I'm going to do something else. I'm going to ensure that Maria becomes mayor. Maria. Maria must become the mayor of Manchester. And I say to you, Nada, I will give you all the assistance you need in this campaign, and I'm going to ensure that you have a victory. The man Baldwin has lost to me 2 times, went to lost it again, and now because they know that I'm not coming again, they can come back. I'm going to help and make sure that it never touch Parliament. So, my brothers and sisters, I am very tearful and very happy of your constant support of me over the years. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. So, I bid you farewell. Bid you farewell. And I'm happy that you are another Audrey. Audrey. No.
It tells me that the other people weren't doing anything. And as soon as they say Audrey was been here for a couple of days, start to do something, they try to tear it down. That is the sign of a bad mind. A good mind would say, I am happy for the people who are going to get the thanks. Let me try and get some thanks for my workers too. That is how a good. But PNPism does not endure or cultivate good minds. It seems to support a bad way of thinking, a negative way of thinking, a tear-down way of thinking. It seems to say that if something is going well, we can't acknowledge it, we must tear it down. That is the hallmark of a bad mind. There is nothing wrong with giving the alternative view. There is nothing wrong with opposing. Opposition in democracy gives the balance and correction. But you can do it in a destructive way, or you can do it in a constructive way. What we have seen is destructive opposition born out of bad thinking.
That's why.
So, I don't think I need to reinforce that point. The point is well made. What we are seeing playing out is a destructive way of thinking to tear down people, deny anything that is good, and in order to get power, to destroy everything. That can't work. That can't work. And what that tells me is that I have to work even harder to ensure that the good things that we have built as a team, as a Jamaican family, that we don't leave it for others with a bad mind to come and tear down what we have sacrificed so hard. And that is why I believe that I have found a representative for you who can carry on the great work of Audley Shaw. Audley mentioned his passion for the scholarship program. I endorse it, and I've had discussions with Audrey, and she has told me that Audley, your scholarship program was big, but woman a yard will make the scholarship program even bigger. So I formally now present to you your candidate for the constituency.